base of dirty yellow, right? This is dirty yellow. दिख रहा है आपको?
Yes.
These all textures will come, right? This can be done only for the digital prints, right? And in that, this will look nice. This you cannot do in Coral CS6. But this texture, if you develop in Coral 6, you will die. It will take hell of a time. Okay? So this is very important. Yeah, the concept should be used for appropriate purpose, right? So this is for the digital. Okay? And digital also we clean in the Photoshop only. And I will make again, I will attempt again on fish, right? You will enjoy seeing this. Okay, this brush job is over. Now I am developing fish, right? In abstract tessellations, and this will spray because this will give something is happening in the water, right? I may be right or may be wrong, but you decide if you like it or not. This is a different way of doing things. And brush should be looks like uncontrolled, but very much controlled in the form, right? In picture, whatever I'm drawing here, it looks like uncontrolled movement from the brush, but actually I'm controlling. Okay, like kids are doing.
Yes.
It's very difficult job to draw like kids, right? So when young child do, they do like this, and this looks quite pretty on surface, right? I believe, I'm sure that you must also feel the same. Okay. And you will be finding something unique way of happening here. Okay. And this is area, you know that what I am controlling for making fish. This is only child mind can see, but child psychology you must know. And this is, you know that the abstract tessellation for the textile prints, right? There are a lot of people are doing overseas, but in India, people, you know, they're hesitant to try this kind of work. But if you go and see, and if you see on a net that people are doing, especially LinkedIn or maybe Instagram, a lot of people are putting their work on YouTube, right? So the way they do, right? And there's the freshness they bring out from the surface. And but you know that we are doing the same, but we tessellating the form, and we are looking where we can tessellate the form, where we should add the form, so it should get tessellated. But here, with the brush, you will not get the perfection. This repeat of textile, which is more important to print, right, in yardage, right? So that should be controlled in CS6. So over there, we will omit some form, or maybe cut from here and add some and create the overall surface beautiful, right? And this is not an easy job, even here as well as in Photoshop. So you need to be very accurate in your thinking while drawing, right? Yeah, this is the next step should be corrected for the textile prints. If your surface is good, is not able to print, then what's the point doing that? So you always keep in mind that this is very important. Your every work certainly should get prints on surface, right? As per the textile printing process, right? So maybe the different way of printing, but this is the digital because the background is so fragile, you know that in so much textures, this is not possible to do in CS6. So this we will take in the photo in the digital prints, maybe with red ink, and this will look gorgeous on fabric. I add another color, right? See, this is all poster color. We make little liquid type, so our brush should move effortlessly, and that you can see that the color is like moving effortlessly, right? And this is very important to develop the form of fish. It looks like fish. This child can do. So you need to have a child mind, right? While this kind of work, and this is very difficult, that to draw like kids, right? But overseas people are doing very good. Textile designers are doing good job. Even surprised that in Iran and Egypt are people doing so good job. Even Faizabad, Pakistan, they are giving the better prints, right? So you should open yourself to see on internet what people are doing. While sitting here all alone and you're thinking great, no, there are many greats than me. They are doing good job, right? Sometimes that I am able to create the good surface, but not all the time, because it's not possible, right? We try, sometimes we get the good results, but we should not give up the trying. And the person who, without hesitations, draw surfaces, and they get only this kind of freshness in the work, right? How are you finding?
Yes.
Yes. And what about you, Unnati? कैसा लग रहा है आपको? How are you finding?
This is really pretty, sir.
This is really pretty.
And the background you have created with that brush is like a little bit unexpected. Like, and the digital print, like I can imagine that how this print is gonna look on a fabric.
Right?
Yeah, this is gonna create really a different approach of showing digital prints.
No, there are many people that are doing this way. I'm not only the one who try like this as a teacher, but we do the demonstration every day. And you know that we teach very small groups, right? So you can see the throughout this kind of demonstration at a stretch carefully. And no institute faculty do this because they're hesitant, because they're scared. If they are not able to do, the student will laugh. You can laugh on me if I not do the good work. See, we are human. Sometimes we are able to do better job, sometimes we are able to do more good job, sometimes we are more good job, and every time, and sometimes we not succeed in doing things. So why hesitant? Because we also human, right? It's not necessary that a teacher all the time do the good job, right? But teachers are scared. They fear, right, that the student will laugh on them. Let the student laugh on them, yaar. क्या फर्क पड़ता है? No worries about this. Let people laugh, but we must not give up the doing things effortlessly, burdenlessly, without fearology. You must develop the surface front of the students, right? So this is, this is the way students develop the confidence in them, and they are able to do. If teachers do such kind of work front of them, and naturally they will do the better work than teacher. And I believe that my students do good job once they pass out from here. Much better than me, because they are practicing only one thing. But I do many subjects to teaching. So I have command, no doubt, because of very much experience behind it. But somebody is doing every day. They are better than me. So I believe that you are passing out from here, you are going to do the good job. Then better me. Then my teaching is good. If you are not going to do better job than me, there's no point. You are not learned, right? So you must do better job, dictate the industry. People should ask what next should be sell in market. The day you are able to do that, the day the market is believing you, nobody can stop your fame, nobody can stop your earning. You will be rich person, then always think about give NGO. Come and donate something. But nobody came yet till today from last 26 years. Because everybody is selfish. I am not. I am selfish person. I do by heart everything, by bottom of my heart, teaching you with soul, so you can succeed in your work, and whatever they spend. The thing is that like you are paying so much peanuts salary, peanut fees to the gift. In 3-4 months you are able to earn that. This is not possible with any other institute. But the only thing is that you need to have courage and challenging attitude. Right? Not to hesitate, not to worry about that. Okay? So this is the one. This is the one surface I shown you. Then the next time, next step with the different techniques I will be showing you. Here I finished this one. It's complete. This now we will do after scanning in Photoshop.
And this is beautiful.